Hi there. It's Professor Monty again. Let's look at simplifying and the distributive law. So to simplify, essentially we're just going to group things together, put like terms together. The distributive law, here if I have something outside the parentheses and there's no operation in between, remember that means multiplication. So we have to do order of operation, we have to combine like terms, all kinds of good stuff happening here. So first off, we look at 4x minus 7. Those aren't like terms. This has an x, that doesn't. We can't combine those together. The negative and 7 and the 3 we can, but order of operation says, oh, I have to do multiplication 3 times this parentheses before I do addition. So my first step is going to be multiplication. 3 times 2x plus 5, well, that's where the distributive property comes in. I'm going to distribute this 3 to each piece. So it's going to be plus 3 times 2x plus 3 times 5. That's my distributive property. 3 times each thing in there across either addition or if that was subtraction, I do the same thing. So I've got 4x minus 7 and then that. Well, multiplication comes before addition or subtraction, so I'm going to do these and I'm going to do those. 4x minus 7, 3 times 2x, 6x, 3 times 5, 15. Now I can combine like terms. The 4x and the 6x are like terms because they both have just x to the first power. So I'm going to combine those together. Now remember, I can move those across because addition is commutative. The negative 7 I'm going to leave here plus the 15. Those are like terms because they're just both constants. 4x plus 6x. If I have 4x's and now I have 6 more, I have 10 of them. They're all x's. So that's going to be 10x. And then negative 7 plus 15. Remember, find the difference. It's 8. Keep the sign of the bigger one positive. So it's plus 8. I can't go any further from that because these are not like terms, but I've simplified the original problem into its simplest components. Okay, hope that helps. Again, as always, just practice. You'll get it. This one, not too complicated, but I think it's something that you can get pretty quickly.